Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Discover the ultimate in all-in-one computing with our list of the 5 best models, featuring top performance options from Mac, Lenovo, and HP. These versatile machines offer power, style, and convenience in one sleek package. Whether you're a creative professional or a business user, there's a perfect choice for you. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. Lenovo Yoga AIO 7, 2021. Lenovo's Yoga AIO 7 is a graphics and animation enthusiast dream with its stunning 27-inch 4K touch display, exceptional audio, and powerful AMD hardware. This all-in-one PC boasts a Ryzen 7 CPU, Radeon GPU, 32GB of RAM, and ample storage, making it versatile for various tasks. While it carries a substantial price tag, its performance and display quality make it a top choice for creative professionals and multitaskers, though a stylus inclusion would sweeten the deal. 4. Apple iMac 24-inch, 2021. The Apple iMac 24 is a showstopper in design and build quality, with its premium exterior and vibrant color options. Its 4.5K Retina display offers rich colors and brightness, making it perfect for various uses. While its performance may not match premium models, it's more than sufficient for everyday tasks, and its seamless integration with other Apple devices makes it an excellent choice for those in the Apple ecosystem. If you prioritize style and connectivity, the iMac 24 is the ideal option. 3. Dell Inspiron 27 AIO. The Dell Inspiron 7720 is a fantastic choice for buyers looking to maximize their budget without compromising on features and performance. With its Intel i7-1355U CPU, 32GB of RAM, 512GB SSD, and 1TB HDD, it caters to a wide range of users, from students to business professionals. The unique design with stable legs, bezel-less 27-inch Full HD display, integrated speakers, and ample connectivity options, including USB-A and USB-C ports, make it a standout all-in-one PC. 2. Microsoft Surface Studio 2 Plus. Microsoft Surface Studio 2 Plus impresses with its innovative design and top-notch performance, though it comes at a higher price point. Its sleek AIO form with a large touchscreen foldable display for note-taking and robust specs, including an 11th Gen i7 CPU and RTX 3060 GPU, make it a standout choice for professionals and power users. With a range of ports and quality features like Dolby Atmos speakers and a 1080p webcam, it offers a versatile computing experience, making it worth the investment for those who need its stylus and extended capabilities. Everyday users might find it more than they need. 1. Lenovo Yoga AIO 9i 2023. Lenovo's Yoga AIO 9i redefines the concept of an all-in-one computer, combining breathtaking performance and a sleek, modern design that resembles a work of art. Its slim 31.5-inch 4K display delivers stunning visuals, seemingly floating above an elegant metal stand. The absence of cables enhances the minimalist aesthetic, while the inclusion of a wireless mouse and keyboard completes the package. Despite its compact size, the Yoga AIO 9i boasts impressive power, thanks to an Intel i9-13900H, 16GB of RAM, and Intel Iris graphics, making it perfect for most business applications. Its connectivity options are commendable, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a clutter-free, high-performance workspace. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.